Assalamu alaikum friends, today we'll discuss how to fix why can't I remove the app from the home screen of Android device. Do you want to remove the icon on your Android to organize them? Luckily this is easy to process. But here you can see I can remove my apps icon. If you have the same problem then this video is for you. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. First open your phone settings. Click search bar, then type home screen layout. Click home screen layout. Then turn off home screen layout. Now try to remove your apps icon. As you can see, my problem is solved. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. If the video is useful to you, please share with your friends.
Thanks for watching.